Hello everyone, it's day 19 and today we're gonna learn about something very interesting and it's GSAP. This is the animations and the interactions now powered by Webflow natively. So you can see here the website, there are no animations, it's just the structure and we're gonna animate it now with GSAP natively in Webflow. So look at this site, guys. I'm gonna refresh it. It's an amazing website with amazing page with very clean animations. I like it a lot. It's made by Bjorn. You can clone the website from here. I'm gonna leave a link below in the video so you can clone the website and you can watch his tutorial about how to do all of these animations. I already watched the tutorial and now I will try to recreate the animations. And you can watch me doing it and maybe learn something in the process. So let's go in the building. We're gonna use this interaction icon. It's for the GSAP. I don't have any animations now. We're gonna create them all one by one. And if you don't have this icon, you should come here to interactions. And from here below, you should check the interactions with GSAP. And you have this icon here. And you'll be ready to start animating. So here, to create an interaction, we press on here. And first we can see here, the heading is animating and going on the button, on the bottom left. So let's do it. We need a page load interaction because this is happening but just by page loading. We can see boom 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 and it's going below. Now let's rename this to preloader. Okay. And now from here we should start making the actions. And let's make the first action, custom action. Let's rename it to gather scale down. And let's make the animation. So the duration will be 1 second because my text is long. It will start 1.9 seconds. Let's make it 1.9. You can see here below is the timeline. Let's choose power 2 in. And we should press this from, because we need to add the value here. When you press this button, now we can view these values. And we needed to move it to 30. Oh, first we forgot we have because look, we broke the page. First we need the target. We need to select the heading class. Remove this class and let's select the heading, because the heading will be the target of our animation. And look, it moved already with this 30 VW, we move the heading to the right. We're moving it from left to right. 30% viewport. Let's check here 0. And now we have to move it to top. So by typing minus 25 VW, we moved it to the top with 25%. Let's press this 0. And now we're gonna scale it. We'll make it bigger. And then it will get smaller while animating. And I think this is enough. Now we can preview it. We can see here below in the timeline. Now we have this is our animation. Header down. It will start 1.9 seconds after the page loads, because that's how we did it. Here we can see start. Let's press 1.9. And we can even move it, this timeline here. We can make it to start after 1 second. But let's leave it to 1.9 seconds. We can preview it from here. Bam. Going down. See? Now. Perfect. We have our first animation. And now let's continue with the other one. We go back and we're gonna do another action. It's gonna be gather, animate, in. And it will be with duration 0.9. And it will start at 0.1. And we can see it here. Now the animation. Let's go power 1 in out. And let's check. We have to always press this button so we can give values to the from values. Let's check 0 pixel here. Oh, this is opacity. We don't need opacity. We need only to move it from x0 to x7 pixels. This will animate the heading. You'll see now. And let's scale it to make it alive, to make it from 0.9 to 1. And let's see what we did. We can see here with the... Oops. Oh, we forgot to select the class again. And this time we're gonna select the whole heading wrapper. Always select the class first, guys. This is our target. When we select the class, we're gonna animate this class. Now we selected the header wrapper. The wrapper of this heading. And let's see if it's moving now. Okay, we can see it's going to the right and up. Exactly what we want. So now, when the page loads, our header will go right and up, and then it's gonna scale down. And we have this very good animating effect. Let's preview it. Very nice. Looks great. And now we can see here, let's see the website. We can see the background is scaling down. So we have to make it work like this. To scale it a bit down. And let's do it. We go here and make another animation. BG scale down. And now we'll have to select the content BG. Okay, it's already selected. Let's remove it and select it again. Content BG. Now we are targeting the background. And let's make it duration 1.2 seconds. And it starts at 1.9 when the header scale down. So, and let's make the easing power 1 in to make it smooth. And now we're gonna make the scaling. You can remove these properties if you're not going to use it. We won't gonna use the opacity and the other. We just need the scale. We can find here the scale. We have to select from, so we can give the value and make it from 1.2 to 1. Now it's gonna get bigger and then scale down. Let's look. Nice. Very good looking. And now we have to animate the, let's see. Now when we have the heading go down and this scale down the background, we can see the menu appearing one by one. So let's do it. We go here and make another animation. Menu, animate in. And let's animate the, so the class, for the class we're gonna check the menu wrapper. Here in the menu wrapper is the menu. So that's what we need. And the duration will be 0.5 seconds. I need to start from here. We can see. Oh, no, not fade in. Menu, animate in. Okay. Did we choose something with fade? Doesn't matter. We'll just use power. Let's choose this power one out, and we are not going to use the opacity. We're gonna use. We want it to jump a little bit on top, so we're gonna use the move Y from to rem. Okay. Okay. And 0 rem here. And let's choose this auto alpha. This auto alpha, make it transparent. And when it's time to appear, it may make it okay. We can see now here the menu on the right. After this animation is over, it's just appearing from the right. Very nice. Okay. And now let's make the cards. It will be our projects. I customized the whole site. I changed the image. I changed the typography, the content, and that's what I did. I wanted to try to make it somehow in my style. Maybe I will reuse it one day. This project. It looks very good for a portfolio website. Very clean, minimalistic, with very good animations. Okay, let's see where we are now. Okay, we have the heading animation, the menu animation, and the background animation. And now we need the project animation. So they appear after we can see here. Bam, bam. And now it's appearing after everything else. So let's make this animation. We just come here again and we make cards animate in animation, and it's gonna be, the duration will be 0.5 second. We see here it's gonna start after the menu animate. We can see here on the timeline below. And let's do it. Let's choose power one out. Let's add more properties. We're gonna move it a little bit on the top. Let's give it to RAM. We need to scale it a little bit to make it bigger, and then return to the original size. And to make something disappear and then appear again, we use this auto alpha from 0 opacity to 100 opacity. And we can see here the cards are appearing one by one, not all at once. Look, let's preview it. Oh, it still didn't save this animation. Doesn't matter. We can see here the cards are appearing one by one. And so to do so, we must choose Stagger offset time and making 0.25. So after quarter second, they will appear one by one. And we don't have to change anything here. And let's... Oh, guys, I forgot again. The class. We need to change the class. Let's choose the card wrapper. I think it's the card wrapper. Cards wrapper. And yeah, we can see they disappeared now. And now, when they appear one by one. Very beautiful. Amazing. So guys, please always the first thing you do when animating, just select the class. With the selector, we're selecting what element we're gonna animate. So, what else do we need to do here? Okay, I think this text here below, the credits text, here this one. We can see it, and we can see it at the end. So let's do it. Here, why fading? Let's give it a name. Cards animate in, and let's do the credits animate. The credits animate in. Let's select the credits because we want to animate the credits. And we just need wait, what is this fading? Let's remove this fading. Oh no, this is because I didn't rename. Credits animating. The first thing you should do when make animation is name it and then give it a class. And then everything will be okay. Let's move it. Here we can move it where we want. We want to animate with the menu and the cards. Maybe even here, here. We can do whatever we like. This timeline is amazing. Very easy to work with. And let's press power 1 in. And we will just give this amazing property that is auto alpha. It just makes something fully transparent and slowly reviews itself. Amazing. And I think we're done. I think we're done with the page load animations, guys. I think it looks very clean, very minimalistic. This is how we have to learn to use animations. This guide made amazing work doing these animations. And now we don't have any animations on hover because look, when we hover this, we can see it. We need to make this menu animation as well. It looks amazing. So let's first make this menu animation. We go here on the, and this time we will need to make the trigger on click. And let's name it menu open. And now we have this menu open. On click, we have to target this this class. It's menu layout, I think. We have to target the menu. I can't. Okay. Menu layout. Okay. But maybe we have to also select toggle play reverse, so we will be able to, when we click it, to reverse it. Let's see if it will work. And let's make the actions custom and make it first same as trigger, or maybe I think it will be the same, because this class is the same as the trigger. Let's put 0.6 power in. This is the easing, so it feels smoother. Let's make it now. We're gonna use only the three properties. We're gonna use width, height, and origin. Let's give the width 3 rem. You can see here it's changing. Height 3 rem because it's a circle. Nice, looking great. And we want it to expand to 18 rem and 90 rem. And I think we're done. Let's rename it. Open menu. And we will have to do a close menu as well. Or no, actually, we need to animate. Let's just review what's happening now. Oh, okay. We can see here the links. And it's not working. Why it's not working? I think because here on the click, we need the menu icon and not the menu layout. Let's see, because we're clicking the icon. Let's see now. Oh, nice. Okay, now it's working. But we can see the links here. And we need to make them transparent at first with this amazing property. And then, okay, let's do it. We need to make another action. Let's name it links animate in. And what we're gonna target, we have to target the links, the menu links. Not same as trigger. Just let's choose the class and go with menu links. Okay. Now we have the menu links targeted. And let's do the animation. The duration, let's make it 0.4. And it starts at 0.4. We can see here on the timeline power 1 out. And we just need this amazing property, the auto alpha. This is my favorite property now. Very easy to use. From 0% opacity, well, from 0 to 100%. So it starts with full opacity and it shows. Let's see now. Oh, actually, we need to. Let's see how it looks. It looks a bit snappy. Everything is appearing at once. I think we don't want that. Let's see this. Yeah, we can see here they appear one by one, much smoother. Let's do that. We will need the stagger effect. From here, we choose total time and change this to 0.1 second. From start to, we choose power in. And let's see now. Yeah, now it looks a lot smoother. Very smooth. Looks great. And what else do we need to do? Let's see. We need these hover effects. And now also here we need to a hover effect on the links. So let's do it. Let's come here. And we will need to make this time a hover animation. Let's name it. Rename. Menu links on hover. And let's do it. So we go here. And now we have to select the menu links. Maybe, yeah. I think so. Menu links. We leave it like this. Let's create the animation. Let's name it links change color on hover. And the duration will be 0.7 seconds. And it will start when we hover. Let's choose power 1 in. And we're gonna use only the text property. The text. Where is it? Oh, here in the style text. And now from my notes, let's choose. I'm gonna copy paste this color. You can see it here. Yes, 949494. And then this color. Okay, we got the colors now. And let's see how it looks. Go to the menu. Okay, it animates the whole link at once. We don't want that. Here we can see it's animating every letter one by. Yeah, we can see it's flowing from left to right, one letter at a time. Let's try to do it. So we need a stagger effect. Let's go with offset time. Let's see how this guy did it actually. No, this is not. Yeah, let's do offset time 0.1 second. So between every letter, 0.1. Start. Let's. I always. Most of the time we're gonna choose this power one in. It's a good ease. And we need the letter spacing. Letter. Because we have to split the text. And let's see how it looks. Okay, looks good enough. Now we can see here it's flowing when we target it. Flowing from left to right, and then it stays. Okay, nice. It's working exactly how we want to work. And the last animation will be this hover effect on the cards. So let's do it. We go again here on this icon and we choose on hover again. Let's rename it to how to rename it? Cards. I have notes how this guy renamed because his naming conventions are good. We must do it like how he did it. We don't have experience. I don't have any experience, so I blindly trust every guy for everything. How to do the animations, how to name the animations. And now let's go. Let's go to make this animation. Over selected. I think we will need the cards wrapper. Let's see if there is a cards wrapper. Yeah, there is a cards wrapper. And now we will need one mouse enter and one mouse leave animation because you can see when you hover it, it shows, and when you remove your mouse from the element, it hides. So we will need one more um, trigger cover, but this time mouse leave. Let's target the card wrapper again. Let's see. I think it's right. And now we're gonna do the animation. Let's name it cards expand. And let's make the animation. The duration should be 0.3. It should start immediately when we hover. Let's change to power 1 in. We mostly use this easing. It looks good, very smooth. And for the properties that we're gonna change, we will need the scale because they're scaling when we hover, and they are also rotating, and the height is changing. You can see the height is changing as well. So for the scale, let's choose from 1 to 1.1. We can see immediately the timeline here when we and it's 0.3 seconds because the duration is 0.3 seconds. It's very intuitive, this timeline. I guess when you know what you're doing here, let's make 3 degrees. From 0 to 3 degrees, the rotation. And the height from 3.5 rem from this height to this height plus image. It's gonna be 14 rem. And let's preview now. It's not hiding. Why it's not hiding? We see it's expanding, but it's not hiding. Let's see what we did wrong. It's something from here. Mouse leave. Each mouse leave. Over one. Mouse enter. Each mouse enter. Play from beginning. Maybe we have to reverse this. Yeah, I think. Control. Place the animation backwards from its current position. Yeah, this should be it. Let's see now. Okay. Amazing. Works great. Perfect. Um, let's see again. There is an animation here on the header as well. On the title. You can see the and it's a lot smoother and looks better. I think we forgot to animate each letter. Wow. Wow, this animation is just look. And then it's going down. We can see the animation on each letter. So let's do this. From here to preloader. Header animates in. I think we will have to do the stagger animation. We choose again offset. 0.1 second is okay between each letter. Start. Let's make the transition power 1 in. We always choose this transition. Looks great. And we will have to split the text by letter. And let's see now. Okay. Now it's flowing. But we also have to change the color. We have to add here one more property, the text. And let's change this text to this color, to this color. And the final color to this color. You can see here. Yes, 87, 87, 87. And here, yes, E5, E5, E5. And let's play now. Okay. Now it looks amazing. Very clean. Let's publish the site. Okay, now it's published. Guys, it looks amazing. Super smooth, super minimal. Amazing animations. Nice interactions with the hovers. Everything works. Amazing. I think we did what this tutorial was showing and tried to teach us. I recommend everyone to go and see and watch this guy video here in YouTube. I watched the video and now I recreated everything from the video. So go watch it. I will leave the link with this clonable in the description. I recommend everyone to customize the skeleton, to change the images, and then try to make the animations like I did. I think I learned a lot. Now I know how to. Basically, I know the basics of GSAP, how to use it at least, where to look for things. Of course, I can't do animations like this guy. He has a lot of experience. He even this demo was when Webflow introduced the GSAP to everyone. So it's a very high quality tutorial and animations. And that's it, guys. I think we learned a lot today. I'm very happy with myself. Don't forget, I'll put a link in the description below to download this clonable if you want to try what I did. And that's it. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye bye.